gopis, they believe, faith.
É por isso.
The Krishna will soon come. Eh? And Krishna's word, Krishna is saying, I will soon come back. Because just I have some responsibility in Dargah. Eh? Jadavir Saina Jata. I will kill all the demons with my armies of Jadava. Eh? Then I will be, everything will solve all their problems of Dwarka, then I will come back. Yeah. Krishna told, you think Gopi just within couple days, yeah, I am coming. Yeah. Krishna's words is very sweet and very tricky. Yeah. Krishna says, hey Gopis, you are going, I am behind with you. And when you arrive, and I will be arrived behind with you. So just I'm going and coming back. So when Krishna,
guarda-chuva.
When you arrive where?
when you arrive in Vrindavan, then I will be also arrive with you.
Em Kurukshetra they were.
Huh?
They were in Kurukshetra.
Try to understand. Krishna told to the gopi,
Vrindavan. When you come
you are now going back to, you have to go back to Vrindavan. Just I am now going to Kurukshetra, then I will return back. Well, how long, how much? Just I am going and coming back. This is the thing. Voila. You understand or not? Or your mind is spinning?
No, I'm a little bit lost. Like where this meeting happened? In Kurukshetra. Oh, okay.
So this is your mind. Kurukshetra, this katha is Kurukshetra.
Because I lost the beginning of what he was saying. Então em Kurukshetra, as Gopis e Krishna estavam lá e aí Krishna falou para as Gopis, voltem para Vrindavana, que eu vou só lá, daqui a alguns dias, daqui a uns 2, 3 dias eu vou voltar para Vrindavana. Eu vou só lá matar o resto dos demônios lá com a ajuda do exército dos Jadavas e depois eu volto. Foi assim?
Yeah. So gopis, they have faith with Krishna this word. Yeah. So actually Krishna words or Krishna non-different. So for this regard, gopis, they kept Krishna in their Hridaya Singhasana, in the throne of their heart, and they also pulled the chariot of Krishna in their mind, because gopis' mind is like chariot. Mano rathena. Mano means mind, rath means chariot. So that means gopis, they pulled the chariot of Krishna with their mind. This is it. Ratha Yatra means this way. Your gopis, they are pulling to Krishna's chariot in their mind. Actually, this is the meaning. Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. Kurukshetra, that is called the opulence. Vrindavan is the full of sweetness, madhurya. So, Vrindavan, Kurukshetra to going to Vrindavan. Because Kurukshetra is not the proper place to meeting with gopis, and they express their heart. Why? Because there are many kinds of their opulence. You can express your heart in front of your best friend when one solitary place. Solitary place, Nirjan place. No one is there. Then you can express your heart, everything, open heart. But Kurukshetra, that is not the place, because there are many kinds of people of there. Vaishya Marga Bhakta is there. Who are the Vaishya Marga? Pandavas are there, Jadavas are there. So for this regard, gopis, they cannot completely express their heart in front of Krishna. So saying, "Dear Krishna, please come Vrindavan." And because Vrindavan is our best place and we can open our heart. Mahaprabhu, Mahaprabhu for this regard he recited one mundane poetry, Sahitya Darpana Slok, for the slok. Ja Kaumara Hara, this slokas. Ja Kaumara Hara. That means the simple about this purport, about these slokas, one married lady, after her marriage ceremony, then she returned back her, what is it called? Parents' house. Indian culture is that after marriage you have to go your husband's house. Then staying maybe 1 month, something this, few days or few weeks staying. Then after 1 month, then again return back her parents' house. That's Pitralaya. Pitralaya means parents' house. After marriage, going to husband house, that is called the father-in-law's house, Sasurala. Understand? Sasurala. Then again return back and maybe few days are staying, maybe not more than 1 month staying. After 1 month again return back from father-in-law's house to her parents' house. When she returned back her parents' house, automatically all her friends, girlfriends, they are very curiosity. What the curiosity? All they are asked to her about her parents' house, mother-in-law's house, about the
was like. How it was like.
how is she feeling to staying her father-in-law's house, who are there, because when going one place to another place, then it completely what? Difference. Because you have no culture, so if I tell to cannot understand. Because this is the Indian Vedic culture. They're completely unknown place.
Yeah.
And after marriage, when you go your father-in-law's house, that time all they are completely unknown persons. You don't know to them. Understand? They're completely unknown. They don't know. And mother-in-law, father-in-law, brother-in-law, sister-in-law are there. And also many, they are, what is called? Neighbors.
Cousins.
House, difference completely. So for this regard, all her girlfriends, they asked to her, so how you are feeling to staying in your father-in-law's house or your husband house, what you are feeling? This is the nature. When one lady meeting with another lady, that time they are spontaneous, their nature to asking about their husband, about their husband property, their circumstance, how this way. Understand? Because not so easy to immediately adjustment in that the place. Understand? Not so easy to adjustment. Maybe 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months staying. Then slowly, see, adjustment. That the society, because going different society, different culture, and India, different, and what is called, province, different culture. If you go Bengal, different culture. If you go Odisha, different culture. And if you go MP, Madhya Pradesh, different culture. If you come in Europe, Punjab, what is called, Uttar Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, understand? UP. And one India, but different culture also there. Different, they are also language. If you go Navadvip Parikrama, language is what? Bengali, you can understand. If you come in Navadvip, Vrindavan Parikrama, the language difference. What the language? Hindi. Understand? So different language. If you go Jagannath Puri, huh? Oi, not coming. Jagannath Puri, their language, Odisha language. Also their culture also different. Yeah. So if you go one place to another place, their culture, their activities different. For this regard, her girlfriends asked to her, what did you feel to stay with your husband? Then, and how you are feeling? You are happy or unhappy? Understand? Actually, this is the mundane talk, completely what? Mundane talk. But inside, completely you are spiritual, absorb Radha Krishna's Kathai. For this regard, Rupa Goswami also wrote same parallel verse in the mood. Priya soyang purkhitre sachari purkhitre medikam. Now coming in this way. Then she told, the married lady, she told, before marriage, now I was very happy. But after marriage, I am not happy. Before marriage, I was happy. Before marriage, what is the relationship? That's called lover and beloved. Or here you Krishna Pandit, what is saying? Namo Radha. Namo Radha, Namo Radhe. What is saying? Namo Radhika Tadiya Priya. I have remembered this কথা. Namo Radhika Tadiya Priya. Namo Ananta Lila Devaya Tumi. Okay.
Namo Radha Kaya.
That time she actually is saying this. Very Indian culture very strict. Nowadays Western culture is always going to, but now little bit strict. Now new government very strict also. Now new government and India, they also strict, no Namo Radha, no other thing. Even public place is not possible. Understand? Understand? Then they will put jail, others punishment, or your certificate will be read. If you can do the internet, when police come, or the couple are sitting, everything is. But some also there, some police taking bribes. They are not just overlooking. Understand? If you give some Indian police, you give some money, then they will not come. But sometimes you will come also. Then we have to run. India government now this rule. This is not public place to embracing, kissing, or just couple staying together. This is not. This is the against of the law of the society. Understand? Okay. So before marriage, now he was my lover. That time our relationship lover and beloved. But that time we are very eager when we meet each other. For Basi Nari Bagropi Griya Karmasu Asadanta Navasanga Rasayanam. She is working her house very nicely, but no one can realize her heart, what she is doing. But in her mind, she is remembering her beloved. This is that. So in the same way, she told, before marriage, that time we are hidden away, meet together. Where are we meeting together? Reva Nodi, Tatasi Pare. In the bank of the river of Reva river. River's name, that is the river. Reva name, Tatasi. And we are staying together midnight. No one can looking to us. And very nice, beautiful and kunjo, as like the, what is called? Bamboo trees, very long. And they also bending this way, making the kunjo. No one can see. No one is seeing our back or front. Front is very nice, beautiful river, moonlit night, full moonlit Purnima. and steady voice. In the same way, moonlight and completely what? And neat and clean. When midnight and about 1 a.m., nobody in there. Completely calm and quiet. And the waves of the river just making sound, kal, 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 kal. And the sweet breeze coming from the water of the river and cooling our heart, cooling our body. And Chaitra Chapa, in the month of Chaitra. Chaitra means is what? That is called in English calendar month, that is called end of March and beginning of the April. That time no cold and not hot. Very nice, actually spring season. And actually in the beginning of the spring. And so our heart completely over there. No sound and both were sitting there, sitting in there. And that time that we are speaking our mundane talk. Surat Katha Vyaparo Vidhu. Surat Katha means is what? Stop talking about stupid nonsense, rascal things. Not Krishna Katha. Understand? Well, no more Radha. Meeting to the stupid nonsense thing. Only wasted time. Understand? 1-2 hours they think. Maybe 5 hours meeting, they are thinking only 5 minutes. Hari Katha, 1 hour is too much for you. Maharaj, too much. And when meeting lover and beloved, 5 hours they are thinking 5 minutes. In the same way, she is saying this. And that time we are absorbed with our mundane talk, mundane. So she is saying this thing. Now same person, and now he is my husband, married. But that types of not happiness come. Now we can freely meet together. No one can criticize to us. If you go India, Namo Radha, then everybody is disturbed, mind disturbed. Without marriage, here is without marriage taking together, no one. This is no one thinking this. But if you go India, then everybody's mind disturbed. What they are doing? Indian culture different. So now she is saying, now we are married. He is my husband. I am his wife. No one criticized for meeting together. But this happiness, that happiness is not manifesting in my heart. I want to return back my previous life, before marriage life. Mahaprabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is sannyasi. He never talked in mundane talk. But why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu again and again recited this verse? Jo Kumara Horo Borasta Eva Chitra Chapa. Jo Chit Militam Surabhi Vilap. This slokas Mahaprabhu again and recited. And everybody's mind also disturbed. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is sannyasi. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is called the crowns and jewels of the sannyasi. He is sannyasi Mukudmani. And he follows all the rules and regulations very properly. So why Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is reciting this mundane slokas, mundane Saitya Darpan, this slokas? No one can understand the heart of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Only one person, he realized the heart of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Who? Sarup Damodar. Sarup Damodar is very happy. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu dancing and singing these slokas again and again. Sei se paranopna to painu, jaha lagi madana dahane jhuri genu. After a long separation, now I am meeting with my beloved Govinda. This mode. Sei to paranopna to painu, jaha lagi madana dahane jhuri genu. Madan means is what? Madan means that you got transcendental cupid. That you got transcendental lust. Here material lust. Material lust is completely what? Make you blind. Andha bana do. Material lust completely make you blind. But transcendental life, apragito kam, that is called prem. So now coming in the same way, say to Parana to Painu, Jahalagi, Madane Dahane Jiru. After long separation, now I am meeting with my beloved Govinda. I think this is the mood of Srimati Radhika. Now my heart completely hurt, melted. All kinds of ecstatic mood manifested in heart. Romancho, Kompasu, Vaivarno. So Sarup Damodar when recited this verse, what verse? Say to Paranatha Painu, Jaha Lagi, Madane Dahane Jurigan. Paranath means who is my heart and soul. Paranath means Prananath. Paranath means Prananath. You understand? Who is the? Pardon? Okay. But that year also Rupa Goswami Pad came. Rupa Goswami Pad, he did not come every year. But that year in Ratha Yatra he came. And Rupa Goswami Pad, he listened this. Then Rupa Goswami Pad, he returned back in the cottage of Haridas Thakur that night. And according to the same mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then he wrote one parallel verse, how Radha and Krishna feeling in Kurukshetra. Priya soyam sahachari Kurukshetre milito. Srimati Radhika, she is meeting with Krishna in Kurukshetra. Then Lalita Visakha, they asked to Srimati Radhika, hey Radhe, what are you feeling to meeting with your beloved Krishna? Then Srimati Radhika, Priya soyam sahachari Kurukshetra milito. I am same Radha. Srimati Radhika saying, I am same Radha. Or my beloved Krishna is same Krishna. Priyo soyam, so I am Kurukshetra milito. I am same Radha. Or my beloved Krishna is same beloved Krishna. Both are meeting together. But heart is not overjoyed. Why? Because here different culture, different place, different circumstance, different types of people also there. Vaishya Marga people, who are they? Pandavas are there. Yudhishthira, Bhim, Arjun, Nakul, Sahadev, Draupadi, they are also there. Also many people are coming from Dwarakapuri. Jadavas they have come. And say, Uddhav is there also. Ugrasen is there. All the Jadavas they are here. And also here opulence place. What is the opulence? Many horses, elephants. Understand? Chariots. Understand? Big chariots is there. And many armies. Because Krishna is Dwarakadhish. Krishna is the king of Dwarka. Dwarkadhish is Krishna. So he comes means he is all his entourage, brigadier, understand, who is the chief of the army. And many security guards with Krishna. And Krishna is also different, his mood also. Krishna is thinking, I am king of Dwarka. And Krishna, what is called? Clothes and dresses also. Very gorgeous dress because he is king. Gorgeous dresses, silk and cloth and another. And also there are no peacock, no peahen, no cuckoo birds, no Jovana river, no kunja, no tamal trees and no kadamba trees. They are only making sound, garr, 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 garr. That means the wheels of the chariot making sound. And elephants, horses, they are also making sound. But Vrindavan, very calm and quiet place. Giriraj, Govardhan is there. Jovana river is there. Radha Kunda, Sam Kunda, there. Tamal trees, and Kadamba trees, mango trees, where the cuckoo bird sitting on the branches of the mango tree. Understand? And small flowers are very nice, beautiful blossom flowers. They are honey bees, they are humming. Bamboo bees, they are flying. So Srimati Radhika, she told this katha. And Rupa Goswami Pad just he wrote in his book, Priyo Soayam Sahachari Kurukshetra Muli Milito. Now I am meeting with my beloved Krishna in Kurukshetra, but my heart is not over there. Why? This is the opulence. And here I cannot express my sentiments, bhav. Because you can express your sentiments, bhav, need that some circumstance. Understand? This is the thing. So Srimati Radhika, she told, please, hey Krishna, hey Govinda, please come back in Vrindavan. অনের মন মন মোর বন বৃন্দাবন মনে বনে এক করি জানি তাহাতে তোমার পদদ্বয় করাও যদি উদয় তবে তোমার পূর্ণ কৃপা মানি Mahaprabhu is this mood of Mahaprabhu think I am Radha. After a long separation, I am meeting with my beloved Krishna. Who is Krishna there? Jagannath. Ratha Yatra. So this one. So Mahaprabhu is saying this word. The other's mind is called so-called mind. But my mind is non-different from Vrindavan. অনের মন মন মোর বন বৃন্দাবন মনে বনে এক করি জানি তাহাতে তোমার পাদোদয় করাও যদি উদয় তবে তোমার পূর্ণ কৃপা মানে হে গোবিন্দ প্লিজ ম্যানিফেস্ট ইউর লোটাস ফিট আওয়ার হৃদয় বৃন্দাবন আওয়ার হার্ট ইজ অ্যাজ লাইক বৃন্দাবন Is it a question? So Ratha Yatra meaning this way Gopi they are bringing to Krishna from Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. Mana Rathena Bhavati Asati Bhavati. In their mind they are pulling to Krishna, Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. Okay. Actually Vrindavan is the topmost place. Okay. If you not come Vrindavan, you will never happy. Okay. Because Vrindavan is called the Rasamay Dham. Laden of rasa. Laden means full of rasa. Laden of rasa. And all kinds of rasa. The madhurya rasa. They are gopis. And their cows. And calves. And they are Joguna Devi, Radha Kunda, Sam Kunda, Giriraj, Govardhan. And Pakilavan, Javat, Nandagaon, Barshana. Ted Kadamba, all kinds of lila is going on there. Jivas, their duty is how to go Vrindavan. But if you go to Vrindavan, have to first come in where? Navadvip Dham. Without taking shelter of Navadvip Dham, any method, you cannot enter in Vrindavan. Aradhito Navonam Vrindavan Vito. Naradhito Navonam Vrindavan Evati. Aradhito Dujasita Bhajanagaraste Naradhito Dujasita Nataveha Krishna. Prabodhananda Saraswati Pad explained. Aradhito Navavanam. One who worships Navavan means Navadvip Dham. Then you will be able to enter in Vrindavan. Aradhito Dujasita. One who worships Sachinandana Gaur Hari. Sachinandana Gaur Hari. Then you will be able to meet with Krishna, who is the beloved of the Lord. So this is the process, step by step. Our sadhana bhajan, this way. How to first focus towards Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gaur Sangha, Gaur Kripa. When you receive the mercy of Sachinandana Gaur Hari, then you will automatically receive the mercy of Srimati Radhika. Jatha Jatha Gaura Vadara Vinde Vinde Bhuvat Kritapunna Punja Tatha Tatha Sorpit Hirdi Akasmat Radha Padambujo Sudhamburasi. If you surrender to Sachinandana Gaur Hari, automatically Radha Prem Radha Prem. The sprinkle of the mood of Srimati Radha. Automatically manifesting. And automatically all your sansar vasana. Sansar vasana means lust desire, material lust desire will disappear. আর কবে নিতাই চাঁদের করুণা হইবে সংসার বাসনা মোর কবে তুচ্ছ হবে বিষয় ছাড়িয়া কবে শুদ্ধ হবে মন কবে হাম হেরব
Shri Vrindavan.
প্রভু প্রভুনাথ পদে
Oi, Deus.
হইবে আকুতি কবে হাম বুঝবো যুব সে যুগল কবে নরতম দাস ঠাকুর when you completely surrender Sacinandana Gaur Hari Gaur Sundar then automatically Radha Prem will manifest. Radha Dasam. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has come this Kali. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has come in this Kali for this regard. Why? They giving this highest prem. Anarpita Charing Chidat Koruna Avatirna Kalu Samarpayatu Unnutu Ujjala Sam Sabakti Svam Hari Pradashandara Buddhi Kadama Sandeir Kada Sada Hidaya Kamdari Spuratuha Sacinandana Gaur Sundar he is giving this type of prem to us. He is very eager to give to us. But we don't want to take. Who wants to take? Pretending.
Arop, Gurudev.
Huh?
Arop, at least.
I hope Gurudev. Gurudev.
Arop,
Gurudev.
imposing,
I hope
imposing,
Arop.
imposing.
Huh?
Arop.
Don't pretend. You always hope. Yes, I want. Pray to Nityananda Prabhu.
Yeah.
Understand? Nitayar Koruna Have Raja Radha Krishna. And pray to Nityananda Prabhu. Hey Nityananda Prabhu, give blessing to us. And very carefully hold the lotus feet of Nityananda. Nitai Didha Kori Dharo Nitai Nitai Charana Satta Tahara Sevaka Tahara Sevaka Nitai Pada Sadakaras. Very carefully hold the lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu. Nityananda Prabhu means Akhanda Guru Tattva. Very carefully hold the lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu. Then, by the causeless by mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, then will you receive the mercy of Sacinandana Gaur Hari. Or by the causeless mercy of Gaur Hari, then automatically Radha Prem will manifest. Oh, you did not. Fala Portuguese. I'm speaking. You understand or not? Or fala Portuguese? Briefly.
Quando falando sobre Irateatra, significado Irateatra, que as golpes elas trazem Krishna na Monoratena, né, na carruagem da mente delas para Vrindavana. Que na verdade as golpes elas que Kurukshetra é um lugar de opulência, Vrindavana é um lugar de doçura. Então, na verdade, Kurukshetra não é o lugar apropriado para o encontro
Oh,
entre Radha e
listen,
Krishna.
come here. You are not listening what to do. Come closer to me. Listen, hold on.
Não é o local apropriado para o encontro de Radha e Krishna, porque assim, na verdade, a gente vai abrir o nosso coração quando a gente está na frente com uma amiga, quando é um lugar solitário. Mas se está num lugar, tipo, Kurukshetra é um lugar cheio de Aishwarya Marga Bhaktas, né, devotos com amor de opulência, como os Pandavas, os Jadavas. Então não dá pra realmente ter o encontro das golpes com Krishna, as golpes abrirem o coração para Krishna e tal. Então as golpes querem que Krishna venha para Vrindavana, para elas poderem abrir o coração delas. E aí, Mahaprabhu, nesse humor, ele estava no Ratayatra recitando esse verso, Chaitadharpa, nesse verso desse grande que chama, o verso começa com Jakomara,
Jakomara Hara.
que é um verso que vai dizer assim, esse verso vai explicar quando uma moça na cultura indiana, ela tinha acabado ela se casou e ela foi para casa do marido, né, que é onde moram os sogros também dela. Na cultura indiana é assim, a mulher casa, ela vai para casa da família do marido, fica lá, tipo, um tempo, aí depois ela volta para casa dela, depois de um mês, né, mais ou menos, na casa dos sogros, ela volta para casa dos pais, E ela encontra lá com as amigas dela, da infância, da juventude que ela vivia. E aí as amigas dela perguntaram pra ela, depois que ela tinha ido morar na casa dos sogros, né, na casa do marido. E aí, como que é lá, né? Porque na Índia, né, tem vários estados, em cada estado tem uma cultura diferente. A cultura da Bengala é diferente da Orissa, que é diferente da cultura de UP. Então, cada lugar é uma cultura diferente. Se você for no Parikrama também, tipo, se for no Parikrama de Navadvipa, eles falam Bengali. Se for no de Vrindavan, eles falam Hindi. Então, é tudo muito diferente. Então, demora um tempo até a noiva se adaptar num lugar diferente, com uma cultura diferente. Então, as amigas dela estavam perguntando, e aí, o que você achou lá da família do seu marido? Como é que você se adaptou lá na casa do seu sogro, do seu neto, tudo mais? E aí, a mulher vai falar, essa moça, né, vai falar, olha, eu me casei agora com ele. Ele antes era meu amado, né? O meu amante, como a gente chama aqui, namorado. Ele era meu namorado. E agora a gente se casou. Mas a minha mente não tá feliz. Eu queria voltar para nossa relação que a gente tinha antes. Apesar de agora a gente poder se encontrar livremente, a gente pode... Ninguém vai criticar a gente, né? Porque na cultura indiana é assim. Se você não tiver casado e tiver com alguém, né, namorando e tal, não sei o que, todo mundo vai criticar. Isso é super mal visto. Inclusive tem uma lei hoje em dia que é Romeu alguma coisa, não sei o nome da lei exatamente, mas enfim, como é que é o nome da lei? Você pegou o nome da lei? Que é uma lei que vai falar que, tipo assim, em lugares públicos, praças, parques, não pode ficar casal se abraçando, se beijando e nem muito junto. Então quando chega a polícia nos parques, todo mundo sai correndo, os casais saem correndo. Tem gente que consegue até subornar os policiais, mas depois o policial pode mudar de ideia e querer te prender também. Então hoje em dia na Índia, apesar de também ter muita influência da cultura ocidental na Índia, hoje em dia também ainda está mais rígido ultimamente, por causa dessa política nova. Então na Índia todo mundo vai criticar se você não for casado com a pessoa que estiver junto. Então a moça vai falando, apesar de agora eu poder me encontrar com meu marido livremente, eu queria mesmo era voltar na época que a gente só namorava, que a gente era amante, que a gente se encontrava meia-noite, 1h da manhã, nas margens do Rio Ureba, no mês de Chatra. Chatra é o mês, final de março, início de abril, que é o mês que é o mês do início da primavera, então não está nem frio nem quente. Então eles se encontravam lá na margem do rio, né, uma circunstância maravilhosa, com luar, lua cheia. Eles ficavam a noite inteira falando esse Surat Katha, que é o quê? Que esse, na verdade, é Krishna Katha, que os amantes, os namorados falam, não só de papo mundano, conversas mundanas. E eles falam 5 horas e parece que falaram só 5 minutos, porque eles ficam entretidos. Agora, se você ficar 1 hora no Harikatha, você fala, Maharaj, esse Harikatha tá muito longo, 1 hora aqui. Mas você ficar com seu namorado, com seu amante, você vai ficar 5 horas falando qualquer coisa mundana e vai achar que passou muito rápido. Então, da mesma forma, essa moça queria voltar lá para as margens do Rio Ureba, falando a noite inteira com o meu namorado, meu amante, sobre essas coisas mundanas. Então, Mahaprabhu ficou recitando esse verso várias e várias vezes. E aí, todo mundo ficou com a mente muito agitada, porque Mahaprabhu era um sannyasa, né? Afinal de contas, o sannyasa, ele era muito perfeito em seguir todas as regras. E por que ele ia recitar um verso com um assunto tão mundano? E aí ninguém entendeu, mas a única pessoa que entendeu o coração de Mahaprabhu foi Swarup Damodar. Swarup Damodar entendeu o coração de Mahaprabhu e ficou em êxtase, recitando esse outro verso. Seito Parana... Como é que é, Cruz? Seito Esse verso ele ficou recitando várias vezes, Swarup Damodar, em êxtase, assim, né? Falando que é exatamente o humor de Shimatirata, né? Encontrando agora o Cupido transcendental de novo. O seu Prananato, Parananato significa Prananato, né? O senhor do seu ar e tal. Então ele ficava recitando esse verso várias vezes. E teve um ano que também, Rupa Goswami, ele não ia todo ano pro Ratha Yatra, mas teve um ano que ele foi. Nesse ano, ele foi, e ele viu Mahaprabhu recitando esse verso de Akamara Hara. E Rupa Goswami, que nem Swarup Damodar, ele entendeu o sentimento de Mahaprabhu. E aí depois, lá no Kutir, na cabana de Haridas Thakur, Rupa Goswami Padre, ele escreveu um verso, tipo, que explica o humor de Mahaprabhu nesse verso. E ele tinha recitar esse verso mundano. Então o Rupa Goswami Padre escreveu esse outro verso, Priya Soham, Charitam, Kuriketa Militam, Priya Soham.
Priya Soham, Sahachari Kuriketa Militam.
Priya Soham, Sahachari Kuriketa Militam, esse outro verso, que vai explicar exatamente, eu sou Radha, eu sou a mesma Radha, ele é meu mesmo amado, meu mesmo Krishna. E a gente está aqui agora se encontrando em Kurukshetra, mas não é a mesma coisa, não está igual, eu não estou feliz, eu queria voltar para Vrindavana, eu queria me encontrar com Krishna em Vrindavana. Porque aqui em Kurukshetra, cheio de elefantes, de cavalo, de carruagem, uma barulheira, não tem pavão, não tem pavô, não tem passarinho cuco, não tem Jamuna, tem várias pessoas de Yadavas, os Pandavas, todo mundo assim nesse humor de opulência. Krishna, ele não usa apenas de pavão, ele usa uma coroa, ele usa um cetro, né, de um rei, ele tá, né, Rajadanda. Ele é assim, nesse humor assim, as gopis não querem ver Krishna assim, as gopis querem ver Krishna, né, na forma de um dançarino, Gopa Vesh, né, segurando a flauta, com a roupa de gopa, de vaqueirinho. com apenas pavão na cabeça. Então tudo isso é muito importante, porque o ambiente, a circunstância em que as pessoas se encontram vai ser essencial no que elas vão poder discutir ou se abrir do coração uma para outra. Então as gopis não conseguiam realmente abrir o coração delas lá em Kurukshetra para Krishna. E aí e assim, no Ratha Yatra, as gopis, então, elas trazem Krishna para Vrindavana no coração, não, no carruagem das suas mentes. Sim. Porque, na verdade, tentem entender que vocês vão ficar realmente felizes se vocês forem para Vrindavana. A gente só realmente alcança a felicidade suprema em Vrindavana. Porque lá é um lugar cheio de roça, né? Todo tipo de roça, dos sabores transcendentais, das doçuras transcendentais, especialmente maduro de roça. Mas pra gente ir pra Vrindavana, primeiro a gente tem que ir pra se abrigar em Navadvipa. Porque, como explica esse verso, Agadito Navavanam, né? Esse verso vai explicar que se você adorar Vrindavana, você vai alcançar. Desculpa, se você adorar Navavan, que é outro nome de Navadvipa, você vai alcançar Vrindavana. Se você adorar Mahaprabhu, você vai alcançar Krishna, que é amado das gopis. Mas se você não adorar Vrindavana, se você não adorar Mahaprabhu, você nunca vai alcançar Vrindavana, você nunca vai alcançar Krishna. E se a gente adorar, né, receber a misericórdia do Guru, Nityananda Prabhu, a gente vai poder receber a misericórdia de Mahaprabhu. E na verdade, se a gente receber a misericórdia de Mahaprabhu, como explica esse outro verso, Jata Jata Gaura Padaravinda, esse outro verso vai explicar que quanto mais a gente tiver, né, rendição, ou, enfim, por Mahaprabhu, para receber a misericórdia de Mahaprabhu, todo esse irada prema, toda a misericórdia de Shrimatirata vai se manifestar no nosso coração. Sim, pela misericórdia de Nityananda Prabhu, também os nossos desejos materiais vão ser destruídos, né? Samsarabhasana, que significa exatamente desejos luxuriosos materiais. E Mahaprabhu está muito ávido para dar todo esse prêmio pra gente. Só que a gente não quer, né? Eu falei, eu quero, mas na verdade você tá só enganando, você na verdade está fingindo que você quer. Porque a gente tem que realmente segurar com todo, como diz a canção Drida Koridhara Niterpai, com todo cuidado a gente tem que, e toda força e cuidado, a gente tem que se agarrar aos pés de lótus de Nityananda Prabhu, que é o próprio Guru. E a gente deve orar para Nityananda Prabhu para a gente poder alcançar tudo isso que o Mahaprabhu está querendo dar e que ele limpe os nossos desejos materiais, e pela misericórdia dele a gente vai alcançar a misericórdia de Mahaprabhu. E aí pela misericórdia de Mahaprabhu a gente vai receber a misericórdia de Radha e Krishna. Você may be a missing.
There is something better than nothing.
Now, rain stop, you can speak more.
You are not whipped? Huh? You are hungry?
Oh.
Huh? No, go. Then again, what time were you going?